In this video, we're going to talk about React.js and Next.js and which one you should use in your projects to get the most benefit. But first, let's clarify that the purpose of this video is not to compare Next with React. Instead, it is meant to help you understand both so that you can decide whether or not to use Next in your projects. Let's start by taking a deeper look at React. React is a JavaScript library used to create user interfaces with the help of UI components. Components are small, independent, and reusable pieces of code that make a large application easy to manage. It's a free and open source front-end JavaScript library that's maintained by Meta. React is more popular than any other front-end development library, and there are many opportunities for developers who are proficient in React due to the rising demand for React.js developers. If you're a beginner, don't worry, I have a video explaining React.js. Check it out in the description below. Now, let's talk about Next.js. Next is a JavaScript framework built by Vercel, Facebook, and Google, and it's based on Node.js and Babel. This may seem strange since many React websites are built on Next.js. React websites are typically built on Next.js to simplify server-side rendering since Next offers all the functionality you need to create a website that works right out of the box. So, let's compare React with Next.js. First, in terms of workflow, Next.js is essentially a workflow that became a framework because of its usefulness, while React is just a library, so you need to create your own workflow. Next.js supports automatic server-side rendering, which makes websites built with Next.js very fast. React would require another library for server-side rendering since it only supports client-side rendering. Next.js is a great option for developers who are just getting started with React, as it saves developers the time and effort of setting up and customizing their toolset. With Next, you don't have to build applications from scratch. You can use the pre-built templates for different application categories or create your own from scratch. Websites built with Next.js are search engine optimized, which improves your website's ranking on Google. The community and project members are very active in open source projects, so Next can almost compete with React when it comes to community support. To wrap it up, if you need to utilize a lot of APIs for some functionality, then Next is the right choice for you. In the case of simple static websites, React would be sufficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.